The beauty of Zolatone finishes is much more than skin deep. Not only do you get a gorgeous wall finish, you get a system that is as easy to repair as it is to apply. When properly applied, following the instructions on the application shipper, can label, or application videos, the water-based Zolatone finishes are easy to touch up and repair. In this video, we will show you how easy it is to repair Counterpointe Pearl Tone. As with all Zolatone finishes, make sure the product is thoroughly mixed using a paint stick or mud masher. Remember, do not shake or mechanically mix or agitate the Zolatone finishes. Always hand mix. Any mechanical mixing will destroy the product. The surface you are touching up needs to be properly repaired and sanded smooth. The finish needs to be the same level as the original finish, otherwise the repair will telegraph through. The repair area also needs to be primed using the proper Zolatone primer. Do not use a roller to spot prime small areas. It is easier to feather the edges using a brush. For a listing of primers, please consult Zolatone.com. Remember, only use white primer. Never tint the primer for a Zolatone finish. Counterpointe Pearl Tone is applied using airless equipment. If you are not familiar with the application of Counterpointe Pearl Tone, visit our website, Zolatone.com, for videos and downloadable instructions. These instructions are also available on the cans and in the application shipper that came with your original order. When spraying Counterpointe Pearl Tone, you need the right equipment setup. A Graco Ultramax 495 or better, the Graco Contractor gun with the 517 guard and tip. You'll need a working, accurate pressure gauge and a 50-foot, 1/4 inch inner diameter fluid hose. The equipment settings for this setup can be found on the can label, application shipper, and at Zolatone.com. Since it is a step-by-step procedure, we recommend having these instructions on hand before getting started. First, remove these filters, the manifold screen, and the gun screen filter. Next, attach the mesh sock that was included with your order over the inlet screen. This is vital to prevent larger flecks of metallic from clogging the gun. Next, prime the pump. With the spray tip removed, switch from prime to spray and watch for the paint to flow. Now, we attach the guard and tip. Slowly adjust the pressure until you reach the run pressure of 1300 to 1500 psi. Last, check the fan size. With the gun tip roughly 16 inches from the surface, your fan size should be about 16 inches. Don't forget to monitor your pressure to avoid large fluctuations. And let's get started. Just like the original application, Counterpointe Pearl Tone is applied in a one-step cross-lap method. Feather the edges to blend into the original application. For larger repairs, be sure to feather the edges and maintain a 50% overlap on each pass. Remember, Counterpointe Pearl Tone will darken as it dries. Also, due to its light reflecting nature, you may feel the need to apply a second coat. In that case, just follow the instructions again. For small nicks and dings, you probably don't want to haul out the big gun. These can be repaired using Fast Fix. Fast Fix labels are available with every Zolatone order, and they are included in large orders. Fast Fix labels are to be painted at the time of the original application so they most closely match. Fast Fix labels are the perfect temporary fix to small nicks and dings. When ordering Zolatone, we always recommend ordering extra product for immediate touch-ups and unforeseen future repairs. When repairing an older surface, we recommend using the original product. If none is available, you can request a match batch for touch-ups and repairs. Simply provide a small sample of the desired surface for a product match. This will allow for a closer match for older surfaces that have received exceptional wear and tear and/or natural aging and weathering in their respective environments. However, slight variations in color and pattern may be expected depending on the technique and equipment used by the applicator. It is the responsibility of the applicator to reproduce these standards. For a perfect repair, it may be necessary to do a corner-to-corner application as you would with other paint finishes. Counterpointe Pearl Tone is a dynamic product that has stunning light and color reflective characteristics and, as we just demonstrated, is extremely easy to repair. As with all products we manufacture, Counterpointe Pearl Tone by Zolatone is extremely low VOC, durable and cleanable, and can contribute toward LEED credits. If you have any questions about Zolatone products, please do not hesitate. Contact us through our website or give us a call. Easy to apply, easy to repair, easy to live with. This is Zolatone.